So here's the setup, guys. It's pretty simple, but after doing it a few times and having my son do it, the last time we found that, or at least I think, the best is to have the smallest candle stick that you can have. There's less distractions that way. I had mine on a post, so there's other stuff to look at, in other words, because the flame will illuminate stuff around it. Anyway, so that's the setup. Part of this challenge is that at the end, after you do it, is to call somebody out or call a few people out. It's up to you. And also, those of you watching this out there, you don't have to be called out to participate in this. If you think it's cool and you want to try it, do it. Choose a charity also to give to. You know, it kind of challenges yourself to give back and to test your archery skills. And it's a pretty fun exercise to do, I got to be honest with you. So I'm asking the archery community out there to keep this going, especially because it's for a good cause. There's a lot of challenges out there going on that I see these days on social media that are for nothing other than, I don't know, bragging rights maybe. Anyway, if this forces you or this enables you or gives you a fun way to, you know, start the ball rolling of donating to a charity or a good cause you can stand behind, then great. Keep it safe though. I'm asking only adults to do this. Unless you have a child that you want to involve, then that's fine. I had my son do it. He's 9. I used to be a firefighter, so safety is important to me. You know, everything is wet around here. Really, there was no safety issue involved at all. Just keep that in mind. My charity is Child Mind Institute. I really like what they're doing. I can get behind that. I believe that healthy mind and healthy body is real, and a lot of issues and physical issues and ailments come from stress-related situations and disorders. Children, if given the proper direction early on, a lot of issues down the road can be prevented this way. That's even so with adults. You know, as we learn to help them, we are able to better ourselves, and really there's nothing better you can do than try to find the best version of you. It's the best gift you can give yourself and your loved ones, because a healthy, happy you is going to create a healthy, happy environment around you. And I've found that archery, for me, has increased my overall well-being. And what it has done for people that I teach, I can see that it makes a pretty big impact on a lot of them. So this is one exercise. It's focus, clearing your head. Archery has a lot of benefits if you look a little deeper. Anyway, I didn't want to get off on too much, but that's my charity. And just keep in mind, guys, this is for fun. It's for a good cause. So even if you get close, if you hit the candle, you get close, that's awesome. Post it. I don't care. You know, it took me several shots, you'll see. And my son did it too. He's 9, and he was able to do it. It was fun. He had a blast doing it. He didn't think he could do it. My cat's attacking me right now. So, you know, I used a 50-pound bow, which I don't really shoot 50-pound bows a lot, but it was one of my new models, and I just figured I'd challenge myself. I did it. You'll hear me reference in the video, because I did it a few nights ago as well with a 40-pound bow, and I guess it hit. It took out the entire wick and the top part of the candle, so it sent it looked like sparklers, you know, fireworks. It looked like, it was the coolest thing ever, and I wasn't able to replicate that, but I was able to put the candle out, so I guess that's cool. That's all that matters. But I will say I'm a better bowyer than archer. And I've said it before, and I'll say it again. So trust me, if I can do it, there's so many of you that can do this. Just trust that you can do it. Focus on the flame only, okay? Not everything that's illuminated around it. Focus on the flame and let it rip. Post your results in my comment section below. So if you make a video, post a link to it in my comment section below this video, and I will enter you in a giveaway that I'm doing. I'm going to give away a bow, so to entice people to join in on this, give to charity, and make a video to keep the tag Arrow vs. Candle Challenge okay? I'll put it up here on the video. Use that tag. Keep this rolling. If you make a video, then I'll enter you in to win one of my new bows. And what I'll do is I'll do a random selection choice after New Year's and announce the winner. I appreciate you guys that go after this and do it. I already, in the video that you're gonna watch now, I feel like, you know, this is a long video, but I had to explain it as I'm the one setting it off, so I wanted to explain it to everyone so there's no confusion. I'm sure everyone's videos after this is gonna be a lot quicker. So keep in mind, look for that tag, look for these titles, watch these videos, support everyone that's doing it. And if you see a charity that you like that they're supporting, then give to it. It's the holiday season. Happy holidays, guys. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you do. Now, I live in the middle of nowhere, really. I live out in the country on the side of a hill in the middle of the woods. So, you know, there's one street light over there that, you know, it puts some light on the other side of my property, but really nothing over here. So for any of you all trying to do this in the city or whatever, you know, just try and get it as dark as you can. You know, it's all about focusing only on the flame and not being able to use your point of your arrow to aim, and just seeing what you can come up with. That's the whole point of this. It's really to have fun and to give back and kind of spread awareness in a lot of ways. So just have fun with it, but realize that, you know, put yourself to the challenge. And I gotta tell you, I'm gonna try and shoot like this every night if I can, if the weather's permitting. You know, if it's not snowing or raining, I'm gonna be out here shooting at night. It's real peaceful, real nice. It really makes you focused on one thing. For people like me that have, you know, my attention is everywhere. I'm aware of everything moving. When it's dark out and I got one thing to look at, that's pretty cool. All right, Candlelight challenge. I'm 10 yards, I got about 10 arrows in my hand. I cannot see my arrow or my bow. First shot. I don't think I hit the candle, I think I hit the stick. Let's go take a look. So, looks like I kind of must have hit the top of the stick that the top of the post that the candle is taped to, which knocked the flame out. So I didn't actually hit the flame because this is moved over and it's loose. I had it pretty well centered like that. So here's the arrow. Looks like it must have just nicked right here and kicked it over there. That's all right. I'm gonna push this guy up. Relight it. Try again. Back here. Ten yards. Oh, I don't know what that was. That's not what I was exactly hoping for, but that definitely put it out. So let's go take a look. Put my headlamp on. Zoom in here. Well, yeah. So I put it out with this one. This guy right here. Yep. This guy right here. Shot the wick off. So that is cool, but it wasn't exactly what I was hoping for. You know what I should have done? I should have had another camera right here, but I'm low budget, so get what you get. All right, so we're gonna run it again just because I really want to see that firework type reaction. Now I moved the camera up closer for you guys, so maybe it will be able to play back a cool effect. I'm gonna go out to the 10 or 12 yard mark now and try this again. All right, headlamp off. Come on, Candle, don't go out on me. Come on, Wayne. Whoa. Cool. Okay. Well, hopefully that looked cool. I might be able to play it back slow, but it didn't give me the effect that I got the other night. But oh well, that's 3 times. No, 2 times, because the first time I split the board and hit the candlestick and the board, and this time, as you can see, now can you see? Yeah, now you can see the candlestick is still intact, everything's intact, so that arrow definitely punched her out and snuffed her out. And it's a pretty good group. I'm pleased with that in the dark, shooting at a flame. Yeah, I'll take that any day. All right, Samson, your turn, buddy. Let's see if you can do this. Lights off. So look at that fire. Look at it. Ooh.
I just need Margo. You ready?
Yep. Woo! You feel better with this one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready when you are. Oh, you hit the stick.
No, I didn't.
That was excellent, buddy. So close. Okay. Yes!
Yes!
You got it, buddy. Nice.
Now it's your turn, James Jeans.
Let's go look at it, buddy.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Dude, you shot right over it. Perfect. Perfect. I think you even burnt the fletch.
Yes.
$75. Nice, man. Good shooting, buddy.
Woo!
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. I actually just hit the flame. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's what was hurting. Ouch.
Sorry.
I didn't even notice that.
Oh wait, dang it.
Look at this.
It's so cool, man.
I hit the tip.
Yeah, you shot just the fire out.
Can I take it out?
Yeah, take it out.
It's dirty.
Proud of you, buddy. You did it. With a bloody hand and all. See, you could do it, man.
Yeah. It feels so good.
It's a lot of fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoy doing this. It's for a good cause. Pass it on. Make sure you continue to nominate. As Samson just said, he just nominated James Jean. I'm nominating him too. I'm nominating Steve Heath. And I'm nominating Joel Graves. I hope you guys come up with something awesome and keep this Candlelight challenge a-rolling. Keep safety in mind, guys. Okay, safety first. All this ground is wet. The hay bale is wet. Everything's wet. So, you know, if fire hit anything, it'll be fine. Thanks for doing this, guys. Pass it on. Keep it going. Happy holidays.